How to pin and unpin text messages on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. Make sure you have updated the phone software to its latest version. Now you can launch your messaging app. Now here you're going to find the list of conversation. Head towards the conversation that you want to pin. Press and hold on the conversation that you want to pin. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of pin. Just for that, I have pinned this conversation. Likewise, I'm going to pin another conversation as well. Press and hold, click on the option of pin. With that, I have pinned two conversations. After you pin the conversation, it's going to appear at the top. You can see that. Likewise, in the case you want to unpin any of the conversation, what you have to do is press and hold on the username. Click on the option of unpin. Just for that, the conversation will be unpinned. Well, this way you can easily pin and unpin text messages on iPhone or iPad. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.